MSC World America. We are in an inside stateroom. There's not much here. We're so excited to stay. I've never stayed in an inside stateroom before, but this is actually the biggest one I've ever been in because those rooms feel really small and this one feels really big. Like there's plenty of space to walk around in. Lindsay and I are going to be here this week and are really excited. Lindsay and Lindsay, we're called Lindsay Squared. But plenty of space. What's really great are the beds and everything are fantastic. We'll let you know how those look later. But plenty of space to walk around in. Here's the closet, which I think is great. So it gives you several drawers and shelves. I love the top that you can put your suitcase in if you want. Lots of great storage, safe with the instructions and your laundry bag and hangers to hang up, which is fantastic. I love this little area right here, and it has our safety video going, which is really fun. The mini bar you can have undone. So here's a little mini bar fridge stocked with water and drinks. And I'm sure they'll come and refill that every day. And then here's a little vanity area that's great to put on your makeup in the morning, especially if your husband's in the shower or the kids are getting ready in the morning. This feels like it. The bathroom is actually pretty spacious. This is bigger than the one we were just on the MSC shore, but it looks pretty spacious and there's room. You're not like hitting elbows. So the shower is even bigger than the one I just got off of. We went on our retreat to the MSC shore, so it's really big, and I love that the doors are like curved around so you're not hitting the door when you're trying to wash your hair, which is fantastic. Everything else in here looks great. These are great for toiletries, and this shower area looks probably bigger by like a foot, maybe on both sides. So this is a great room and we are so excited. What I need to know is, are you a packer, like you live out of your suitcase when you travel, or are you an unpacker? I am an unpacker. I unpack everything and it makes it feel like I'm at home. So that's probably what we're gonna do as soon as they get our bags. So because this is our first cruise ship, we're the first ones on this ship, you don't have to wait right now to come into the room. Normally when you get on a cruise ship, if you get in early, you have to wait for them to finish cleaning the room and then they'll mark it that it's good to go. So you can usually come. Sometimes you can set a bag down, sometimes the rooms aren't ready, and then you can go explore the ship, which we're gonna do in a little bit, and see everything it has to offer. So, and then they'll clean the room and you'll have a few hours to wait and you can go get some food and check everything out. But our room was ready because we're the first ones here. Your beach towels are included, so you can take these, you'll wanna take these to the island, and once you get on the island, they'll swap them out. So if you use them there, you can swap them out when you get back and you can just keep great beach towels. But make sure not to lose these because you'll get charged for them. So make sure to have them, but you don't have to bring them in your suitcase, which is really fantastic. They have great different ports. If you have European ports, because this is a European cruise ship, you have different ports for plug-ins, which are great. Where's the American? Oh, jeez. Ports for your plug-ins. One thing to note, that when we were first on a ship, Adam was like, why do the lights keep going off? It's because you have to have your room key in the light switch. So when you get in and you open your door, make sure to put it here and then all your lights will work. But if you don't, they'll turn off eventually. So, you just gotta use to work the button. So make sure to keep your room key in here if you're in the room, and then it's easy to find so you don't lose it and grab it. So if you have a lanyard, that's hard to do. But you can click here to have somebody come and do your room, and do not disturb is on here too. It's just a little light that you turn on and it'll show on the outside of your cabin. But we're really excited. This is going to be a great cruise, so we can't wait to show you the rest of the ship and everything that it has to offer. And we cannot wait to see all of the brand shiny new things that MSC World America has to offer. So thanks for following along.